How to make a pass or fail in Excel. Have you ever had a condition where you need to fill some fields in a table? Today we will go through a very useful option in Excel. It's a question of if, so let's get started. For example, we will take some grades and students. The condition for passing here is that one grade is greater than 30. We will type a simple if. We enter the formula according to this model. The formula will be found in the description of this video. The only thing you need to change is the field for which you are looking at the value. There is a query in the formula that if the field is greater than 30, pass will be entered in the field, and if not, fail will be entered. When you have done that, it remains to determine the color of the field depending on what is written in it. We will do this by clicking on the Conditional Formatting option and selecting the New Rule option from the menu. Here we will select the format only cells that contain option from the list. Then, from the second list below, we will select equal to, and in the third field we will enter the criterion. In this case it is pass. After that, we will click on the Format option and select the color in the Fill shortcut. As it is pass, we choose green. We will repeat the procedure once more, only now for the file where we will put the red color. Once you've set it all up, simply expand the formula to all the fields you want it to be applied to by going to the lower right part of the field and dragging it down. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.